So I thought I would do this SnackCrate before February ends, since it's kind of already a month behind because it's January's. So we are joined by Fella, and he has a perpetual cold, poor thing. So you saying hello? Oh. So let's go ahead and get into this SnackCrate. Hooray! There. Man, this one's really full this month. Oh, yay! I peeked. I'm sorry. I couldn't resist. It's Ireland. And there go the stickers, as per usual. Oh, cool. I love it! Oh, Fella, there's a sheep. There's a sheep sticker. That's really cute. All right, well, shout out to all of my dad's side of the family because they're Irish. Oh, I'm so excited. This is so cool. All right, so I will open that, and then I promise not to peek this time so that you can see what's in the box before me. Good whispering. So here are the snacks inside of the box. Let's get snacking. Ooh. All right, so, ooh, Worcester sauce, flavored potato chips, the big bag. Tato brand. These look good. Oh, smells like sea salt and vinegar so far. Mmm. And that's basically what they taste like. They're really good. Now we have some more potato chips, or potato crisps, as they say on the packaging. So let's see what these taste like. These say vintage Irish cheddar and onion flavor. Not super fond of onion, but we'll find out. They smell like a house that my mom and I looked at when we were moving. So I guess it kind of smells like new carpet or drywall. Definitely tastes better than you'd think drywall would taste. Yeah, that's pretty good. Ooh. Boland's Elite Chocolate Tea Cake. Mallow cake covered in thick milk chocolate. I really hope there's no coconut in this. Oh no. Oh. Shoot, there aren't ingredients listed. Okay, let's try this Cadbury sandwich snack, exclamation point. Milk chocolate sandwich biscuit. Ooh. Fancy little chocolate bar. It's crispy, it's chocolatey, it has 2 layers of like a wafer kind of a texture. I like that. That's really good. Now we have Revels. These look like either sugar babies or sugar daddies or whatever those. I think they're sugar babies when they're the little bean shapes. So I'm thinking it's chocolate covered something or other based on my quick browse through the ingredients. They almost look like Milk Duds because they're large. And I just realized I've completely neglected the little doodly-doo thing, the pamphlet. Oh, it's like a Whopper. Interesting. This one, crunchy Irish potatoes are flavored with zesty vintage cheddar cheese and onion flavors, seriously addictive. This one, the other Tato Worchester chips, deliciously crunchy potato chips flavored with savory Worcester sauce. Okay. And then the Cadbury sandwich snack says smooth milk chocolate filling sandwiched between 2 shortcake squares for the perfect biscuity snack. And then the last one I tried, the Revels, chocolate dipped bites with a mix of surprise flavors including raisin, orange, coffee, malt, chocolate, and toffee. I didn't realize there was different flavors. Interesting. Oh, and then the one I can't try because I don't know what's in it. Let's find out what that one is. These sweet cookies are topped with marshmallow and dipped in milk chocolate. Those sound so good. Really wish they would include what was in them. Wow, there is a bunch in here this time. All right, well, let's go ahead and talk about these little candies, because I can't eat these since I don't know what's in them. These are called Oatfield Sweets. Oatfield. Sweets since 1927. I don't know. Let's see what this says. Glucose fruits. Tasty hard candies, or boiled sweets as they're known in Ireland, featuring tasty fruit flavors. Fancy, fancy. Okay, so let's see what this is. Chewits Crazy Fruits. Really? Whisper. Fella. Are we under attack? What's going on? No. Well, I think Fella is deserting us to go bark at something some more. So we will just have to continue without his furry little face in the frame. I'm sorry. Okay, so seriously Bubblicious, Colalicious. Makes your face go worst. Okay. Well, I hate to break it to you guys, but you're not going to be able to see my face go worst because there's coconut. Sorry. Chewits Extreme. 6-time extreme sour apple. Warning, don't bite off more than you can chew. So I'm guessing this is, oh. Yeah, they're like little individually wrapped chewy things. And I looked down immediately and saw coconut. So we're gonna leave this one for husband. Those coconuts. Trying to make me sad. And they're succeeding. All right, this one is called Whisper. The tiniest bubbles, the biggest taste. Cadbury brand. Aerated Cadbury chocolate bar. Okay, let's try this one. If I can open it. Maybe? There it goes. Mmm. That one is really good. I really like that one. It's very creamy, very light. Very stuck to my tongue. It's so good though. Whisper. I like it. Deliciously light and unique, made with a bubbly chocolate filling and wrapped Cadbury milk chocolate. That was really good. The Chewits Extreme Apple says, these sour apple chews start out extremely tart and finish with a delightfully sweet apple flavor. Okay. And the Crazy Face Fizzy. Bite-sized candies are filled with cola and bubblegum powder that fizzes in your mouth. Next we have a Star Bar from Cadbury. That must be a really popular brand over in the UK. Let me know if you're from the UK, and let me know if you like Cadbury and if it's very popular over there. Chewy Cosmos of peanuts and caramel. I'm going to tempt fate and take a teeny tiny little bite because it does have caramel. So we'll see if it's the bad kind of caramel or just the liquidy kind. There's like a wafer. That's okay. Wouldn't be my most favorite thing, but it's not my least favorite thing either. Kind of, I think it might be the peanut. I'm not a super big fan of peanut, but it's okay. It's still pretty good. That was the Star Bar. Milk chocolate wraps a filling of rich caramel and crushed roasted peanuts. Okay. Galaxy Caramel Collection, smooth caramel. Well, I don't see coconut, so we'll try it. Oh, cool. There's, oh wow, look at that. Oh my. Oh wow, that's good. Wow, that one was really good. It was like melt in your mouth chocolate with super silky caramel on the inside. Really, really good. Let's see what this says. Smooth and creamy chocolate with a luscious caramel filling. It was really, really good. I liked that a lot. I'm glad there's more of that. All right, the last thing that I will get to be trying, maybe, is this Dairy Milk Golden Crisp Easy Reclose Pack. That's clever. Oh, it already broke. Ooh, we'll just try a small piece. What is this one? Golden Crisp. I'm not super fond of that one. I think it's the texture. The sound hurts my teeth. My teeth don't actually hurt from biting into it, but the sound of it. I don't know. Yeah, not super fond of that one. Kind of reminds me of, oh goodness, what are they in the States? It's red. I'll put a picture somewhere over in this area of what I can't think of the name of that reminds me of this Dairy Milk Golden Crisp. So you know, but I still don't know what it's called. This says, the famous dairy milk chocolate from Cadbury with tiny pieces of honeycomb sprinkled in each bite. So it was the honeycomb that I really wasn't a super big fan of, just the texture of biting it. Ugh. Okay, let's see if I can find a fun fact for you guys about Ireland. Well, that's cool. This says there are no snakes in Ireland, but I think I knew that because of the whole St. Patrick's Day holiday. They always say that he drove the snakes away. That's really cool though. And then it says Halloween traces its origins to the Gaelic festivals of Samhain. I think I'm saying that right. Maybe I'm not. Let me know. A harvest festival. That's very cool. Okay, and then I just have to show you guys this really cool picture of these trees. I'm a sucker for trees. My goodness, I'm shaking so badly. Hopefully you were able to see that. That says The Dark Hedges, Northern Ireland. Well, you guys, thank you so much for joining me for yet another snack crate. And hello to all of my distant cousins in Ireland, whom I may or may not know.